Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today we have two stories. New money for Nvidia chips. A new train link between Finland and Sweden. Full transcripts are at linguawire.com. Vocabulary lookups are there too. First, Nvidia and a big money plan. Now we go to Ella, our LinguaWire correspondent for business.
Nvidia has made a big move today. It wants to use its AI chips to help get money. Lenders can back them. The company is working with 6 large money groups. Together they want to help raise $500 billion.
That is a very large number. What will this money do?
It should help customers buy chips. It should help them build data centers. Those centers hold the computers for AI work. The idea is to use money from outside, not only the company's own money.
So the chips are like a kind of asset. That is new for many listeners. Why do they want that?
Jensen Huang called them an investable asset. He said they are now revenue-generating assets. In simple words, he says they can help make money.
And the report says big firms are involved too. Which firms are we talking about?
Apollo, Blackstone, BlackRock, Brookfield, Goldman Sachs, and KKR. They signed papers called Memorandums of Understanding. That means they want to work together.
So this is not the final deal yet. What is it then?
It is a plan for money platforms. The companies want to build a system. It is for customers who need money for AI hardware.
Some experts may still ask a question. Will these chips keep their value?
Some experts may still ask that. Nvidia is asking lenders to trust long-term value. That is the heart of this story.
Now a new train line across the border. Now we go to Noah, our LinguaWire correspondent for transport.
A new passenger train has started between Finland and Sweden. It is the first rail link there in nearly 40 years. The first trip left Oulu early on Monday. It crossed the Torne River. Then it went into Sweden.
That sounds like a big moment for travelers. Was there a clear reaction at the station?
Yes, people were there with Finnish and Swedish flags. The train arrived in Haparanda. The scene was simple, but very happy.
So the service is running twice a day. How long is the trip?
It takes about 100 minutes. The train goes along the west coast of Finland. Then passengers cross the border.
And after that, people need another train. So the journey is not one single train. It does not go all the way south.
That is right. People can change trains in Haparanda. Then they can keep going south. This matters because it makes travel easier again.
The route also sounds much bigger than one border trip. What is the long travel idea here?
The service can help with a huge rail trip across Europe. One day it may help travel from Portugal to northern Finland. It also helps with a 24-hour trip between Helsinki and Stockholm.
So this is both local and wide. A small line on the map can change a lot.
Yes. The railway company says train travel is growing again. The transport minister says cooperation is growing too.
3 words from the train story. Station means a place where trains stop. People get on or off there. Example: we waited at the station for the train. Border means the line between 2 countries. Example: they live near the border. Route means the path a train, bus, or plane takes. Example: this route is very busy in summer. Now one grammar point. Cross the border. We use this phrase when something goes into another country. The train crossed the border from Finland. Passengers crossed the border in Haparanda. Repeat after me. Cross the border. That's today's news. Every word you just heard is written out at LinguaWire.com. The full transcript and a tap-to-check glossary for words you don't yet know. That's LinguaWire.com. Follow the show so we're there in your feed tomorrow. Speak to you then.